Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will share with you in this quick video how you can fix your HP EliteBook 840 G5 SIM card not detected. So friends, follow the steps. First friends, check the WWAN hardware is installed. This is the first step guys you need to do. Make sure that guys this is installed, and this is WWAN is installed guys. This is the first step. As you can see on the screen is installed. After that guys, friends, all you have to do just check your install any needed driver for that models, and you should be needed install any needed driver, and then install a supported SIM card and connect your active mobile. So this is the one. And the two guys, you should be go to setting, and from the setting and network, go to setting. As you can see here guys on the screen, go to internet and network connection, and then display information about installed SIM card. All information about displayed, you make displayed on your SIM card from the setting on the network. The last step is you need guys to update your Windows. If you don't have an updated, check your updated Windows last version. If this is all network guys, you can contact the support team through this website. Write your own information about your HP series order number or series number and the right email, and then contact him and write your problems here. The SIM is card not detected. Thanks for watching guys this video.